Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to share live location or location from Google Maps in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Maps. Make sure that your phone location and Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. At first select your current location and then tap on this profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here you can find location sharing option. Just tap here, then tap on share location. Now from here you can share your real-time location. You can choose two options, for 1 hour and another is until you turn this off. And from here you can choose any person. You can choose email address. Also you can share your current location on Messenger, Telegram, WhatsApp. So find anything. If I tap on WhatsApp and then tap on share option, then unlock your WhatsApp, then choose any contacts. If I select it and then tap on the send icon, now just close all the apps. Now if I open WhatsApp again, and that's it. You can see my current location has been shared to this contact successfully. And that is how you can share your location from Google Maps in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.